Hello everyone. In this month Random Voice Vision, I'm going to talk about the manufacturing cost. I have been visiting many factories across India and asking them the same question: how much does it cost you to manufacture your furniture in the factory? Most of them do not have a clear answer about the manufacturing cost. It's important to know the cost of manufacturing per square feet of furniture in order to assess the exact landing cost of manufacturing the furniture, and people can make their sale costing according to this. And hence, I request all the furniture manufacturers to work inside your factory on assessing the manufacturing cost of your furniture per square feet. This will give us a very competitive position to sell furnitures based on costing, not on assumptions. With this way, we can stay very competitive in the global market and compete with our costing in the global market. Thank you.